Hi, I'm Ivan Zoot, and I want you to have 100 new haircut customers in 100 days. That's the name of my new book, 100 New Haircut Customers in 100 Days. We call it 100 by 100. And this book is a day-by-day, step-by-step guide to clientele building for professional haircutters. Any day can be day one. And any day that you choose to make day one, day 100 will be the day that you will have 100 new haircut customers, money back, guaranteed. And think about 100 customers. What will 100 customers do for your business? Well, if you're brand new, if you're recently out of school, if you just entered into the professional beauty and barber business, 100 new haircut customers jumpstarts your entire career. This is the foundation of your clientele, this is the base of your business, and this is the point from which your career will take off into the stratosphere of the beauty industry. If you've been in the business a little while, you're an established hair cutter, 100 new haircut customers blows up your chair. This levels you up. This takes you from half full to a lot more full. This takes you from not so busy to I'm a busy hair cutter. And if you're an experienced veteran who's booked and busy, 100 new haircut customers, this changes your life. This is your next price increase. This is an expansion of your clientele. This is taking you to the top of your game. 100 by 100. 100 new haircut customers in 100 days. My day-by-day, step-by-step plan. Click the link where you're finding this video. Get yourself a copy today, available on paper, digital, and audio. I'm Ivan Zoot, and I want you to have 100 new haircut customers in a little more than 99 days. Thanks for watching.